Hey everyone, it's Makeup Noob here. Welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed, and if you are not, then hello, welcome. I am Makeup Noob, and I'm basically an 18-year-old aspiring beauty guru, and so I basically just do product reviews and tutorials and some weird quirky videos in between. I don't really know how to describe them, but I do those too. So feel free to hit that subscribe button down below to show me some support, and hit that notification button also so that you get notified when I upload my videos every single Monday. So without further ado, we're gonna jump into my video. Today we are gonna be talking about one of those really fun Korean beauty trend things. We're going to be talking about this lip tint. It's one of those peel off lip tint things, so I'm going to be putting it on, ripping it off, and showing you what the result is. So I'm going to be testing out the Saemmul Wrapping Tint from the I don't know, it looks like this. I got it from CVS, so if you want to purchase this, it's in the Korean beauty aisle at CVS. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to be opening it and showing you what it looks like. So I'm twisting it. It's basically just like a squeezy tube, looks like that, and assuming by the shade of the packaging, it is going to be a red lip tint. So without further ado, I'm just going to be putting it on my lips. So zooming in, aka me moving closer, I'm going to be putting it on. So let's squeeze it out. This is honestly the most satisfying part, if I can get it to come out. There we go. Okay. Oh shoot, already out of lines. Alright, so setting aside the really crappy job I did at lining my lips, as you can tell, it kind of has like a cherry flavor to it, or like scent. Hold up, let me get a mirror, I need to fix this. Oh yeah, okay, so like looking in person, it looks even worse than what it does on camera. So let me just like fix this and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this stuff has been on my lips for about like 3 minutes now, and it's already basically a little bit dry. Just touching my lips. I do still have a little bit on my hands, but I think we're like almost there. So far there has been no like tingling or stinging or anything weird going on, so it's been very normal. It's just like basically putting on a lipstick or something. Like right now you definitely feel something on your lips, but it's not like anything bothering. It does just kind of feel a little tight because it's drying down a bit, but that's it. So let me wait like 2 more minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, just gotta pull my hair back a bit for this process, but I think that we are finally dry and we are ready to peel this thing off. I am ready. So I'm gonna be looking in my mirror and I'm gonna be trying to peel it off. So this is the state of my lips right now. Definitely you could see like it's dry. I really hope it doesn't like leave a butthole like in the middle. I really hope. So I'm trying to figure out like a corner right here. Oh, maybe this will, oh, okay. Okay, I think I got something. Okay. Oh, hey, wait, look at that. Look at that. This thing actually works. It works. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Wait, okay. Okay, I think we're, oh. Oh, hey. It actually worked. It actually, look at that. Oh, okay. It's like a little bit. Let me just roll that off. That's not half bad, you guys. Look at that. That's not half bad. Okay. I'm gonna try the lower. I think by like pushing inwards, like you can kind of get a corner. Hey, and it comes out all in one piece. That is not half bad. I'm gonna give like a different lighting like right now, just so that you guys can see what like my lips actually look like, because this lighting is kind of difficult for you guys to see like what the state of things are right now. So I'm gonna be going somewhere else. Alright, so here is the situation. Still got a light on the corner. This is what they look like. I think that it's such a pretty color. I honestly didn't expect this much from like a drugstore brand, but this is not half bad, you guys. Like, this is not half bad. Honestly, like, whatever I said before, like, I think I can deal with that if this lasts. Like, can I eat a pound of cake and still have my lips looking like this? Like, can I just stuff my face in food and still look like this? If I can do that, then I can deal with all the things that I don't like. Wait, let me do a kiss test just to make sure that this is like actually real. So, hand. Okay, so we do have like a little bit from the inside right here. But other than that, it's like surprisingly good. Good job. What were they called? Oh, Saemmul. I think this is something interesting to check out. I don't know how everyday usable it would be, but I think it's something cool to check out at the drugstore. If you're interested, I got this at CVS. So out of 5 stars, I think I would give this like a 3.8. I think it's cool. I don't know how I could use it like regularly and how I could maintain it. I think it's kind of messy, but I think that the results are pretty nice. I think that it's a very like nice natural color, and I would be definitely interested in trying out different shades. Like, imagine if they had like a hot pink or a purple or something fun like that. I think it would be super interesting to try that out. But from this red, I'm really impressed. So you get a 3.8, almost a 4. That's not bad. That's like 80%, right? That's not bad. Okay, so I'll give you guys that for this product. But other than that, you guys, that is my final thoughts on the Saemmul Wrapping Tint, aka lip tint. So, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so grateful for you guys for even clicking on this video. It really means the world to me. So if you would like to support this channel, then please hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, please be sure to check out some of my other videos and see what Makeup Noob has to offer. I upload every Monday. But other than that, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weeks.